Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create a blog post on Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, after logging in, open your Shopify dashboard and then on your Shopify dashboard page, click on the blog post button as shown on screen. Follow the steps and after clicking on the blog post button, click on the create blog post button. So now an empty blog post will appear. Now fill the title, content, and there is a lot of options as well. Like if you want to bold the text, you can insert link, adding a relatable image of the content, insert video by pasting embedded snippet. Like take any relatable video from YouTube, copy the link and paste it here, so that video will appear here. Then you have two options. Click visible option so that it can be visible, and also you can set the visible date accordingly, and adding tags. After going through these options and settings, click on the save button. Now click view page and here you see the blog. So open website and here's the blog post with all the changes which you have made. So that's how you will create blog posts to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.